Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we are decorating my front porch for fall. I am a little late on this. Most people decorate very beginning of September, but it is still 95 degrees here in Las Vegas, so it is still very warm and not feeling like fall at all. But I did get most of my stuff from previous years. I did get a few new things like some more straw bales and the Scarecrow that you'll see here in a minute. But if you guys want to know where anything is from, let me know in the comments down below and I can let you know. So without further ado, let's get decorating. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed another short and sweet video. If you guys haven't seen my last video where I made this DIY mini pumpkin wreath, then I will link it down below and above. I will also link what I did purchase this year in the description box if you'd like to go purchase it yourself, like this adorable Scarecrow. How cute is she? I can't get over how adorable she was. I had to have her. She is from Joann's. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Do stay tuned. I am doing my fall coffee bar next, and then we will be moving right along to Halloween, which I'm so excited for. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!